In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Squarespace website. Whether you're planning to back up your content or move to another platform, downloading your website data is a crucial step. Let's dive right in to ensure this process is smooth and straightforward for you. First, you'll want to access the export settings on your Squarespace site. Begin by navigating to the main dashboard of your Squarespace account. Once there, look for the Settings menu, which should be easily accessible and usually located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on it and a list of options should appear. From this list, you'll want to select Website. After selecting Website, you'll see more options drop down. Here, you'll choose Import, Export. It's in this section you'll manage your site's data exports, and this is where we need to be to start the process. Now that you're in the Import-Export settings, the next step is to initiate the export. You'll notice a button labeled Export. Go ahead and click on it. As you initiate this process, you'll be prompted to select a platform to which you'd like to export. Even if your ultimate goal is to just back up your data, you need to choose a platform for the export. For this, we will select the WordPress icon. It serves as an intermediary format that can handle the widespread commonalities of website data. After selecting WordPress, Squarespace may ask you to specify your primary blog page if your site contains multiple blogs. This is a common query, as many sites have several blog sections or pages. From the drop-down menu that appears, carefully choose your primary blog page. This ensures that your main blog content is included in the export file. If you only have one blog or site page, you might not see this prompt. Once you've made these selections, sit back and relax for a moment. The export process can take some time, depending on the amount of content you have on your site. You'll want to be patient here, as this is the part where Squarespace compiles all your website data into a neat package. Once the export is complete, a download button will appear. Click this to save the .xml file, which contains your website data, onto your computer. This file format is commonly used for data export and can be imported into platforms like WordPress, should you choose to migrate your site in the future. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Squarespace website. Keep your .xml file safe, as it's a valuable backup of your online content. This straightforward process ensures your website data is securely backed up or ready for whatever your next steps may be. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your website management needs.